Forgotten username recovery failed on YNAB Plus Fix. If you've been struggling to recover your YNAB Plus username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because YNAB no longer uses a traditional username for login. Instead, your registered email is what matters. Guessing usernames often fails and just delays access. Here's the step-by-step fix. Step 1. Open the YNAB app or website and select Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. YNAB uses this information to securely identify your account. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific details such as recent budget entries or payment history. This ensures only the rightful owner can regain access. Step 3. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Make sure to check all folders in your email, including spam or junk, if the recovery message doesn't appear. Step 4. If recovery still fails, contact YNAB support directly. Explain that username recovery attempts haven't worked and provide the requested information. Their support team will help you safely regain access. The surprising truth is that losing a username doesn't mean permanent lockout. YNAB switched to email-based login to make access easier and more secure. By following these steps, you'll be back managing your finances on YNAB Plus in no time. Focus on your registered email, verify your identity when needed, and you'll regain full access smoothly and securely.